Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for following, thanks for looking at our channel. Here's the next video for this week. We have the A4 finishing the head. It's already on, final finishes. We had to take it off the lift because there was something coming in quick yesterday. So we put it in the side. We have to put the front end back, connect some lines. It's almost ready. In the meantime, we got a S4. Transmission has a leak on the side cover, on the differential cover. We're waiting for the seal from the dealer, what goes here. It uses an O-ring and also silicone. This transmission has been sent out to a company in California. They rebuilt the whole thing. Probably didn't change the O-ring, so we're gonna do that. That guy is coming in for suspension work. Gonna put BC coils. Follow us for that. So we're gonna put some BC coils before we're gonna do some diagnostic. Has an EPC light coming on, something with the fuel. We have changed the high pressure fuel pump before, maybe 6 months ago. We're gonna see that. See what the codes are. So that's going on. That's what's up with that car. Then we have our other major project going on there, an S4.
Meanwhile.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
We made it the tranny with the new motor. They're aligning the bolts. They already aligned, they're going hand tight already. So that's all good. With them, we're gonna connect the torque converter clutch. Just going further with the progress. And then by end of the day, I hope this empty hole is gonna be filled with this assembly. So we can give it back to the owner Friday, hopefully tomorrow. That will be all for today. Hope you guys enjoy. Follow us for the next video. Thanks. Bye.